Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the types of account. So, as you already know, we have discussed the certain types of accounts. We have covered the basic account, that is Casa Rafa. Then we have covered the financial inclusion account. Then we have covered the NRE, NRO, FCNR account, EEFC account, and the Nostro Vosto Loro account. So today we are going to discuss some miscellaneous account. Miscellaneous account simply means the account which we are talking about related to the other different reasons we are opening, or we can say the accounts which are for the different purpose. Okay, so let's start. Before starting the session, if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application, because this is the application where you will find the details about the upcoming batches. Apart from that, you will find the uh, quizzes and content regarding your exam. Okay. If apart from that, if you have not subscribed the channel Office 7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Now let's just start the session. Before starting the session, information for all of you that right now 81% off is going on with the double validity on all the Maha packs of, and this offer is valid till 12 p.m. today, because this is the Christmas offer that is going to end soon. And the code for that will be Y496. How to enroll in this Mahapack and what are the benefits of the Mahapack, I will let you know in the end of the session. Okay. Now let's just start other important thing, that is the types of account. This is the part fifth of the types of account. So first of all, if I talk about, so these are the two types of account we are going to discuss first. That is talking about the inactive account and dormant account. So these are the two types of account which we are going to discuss. So first of all, in an inactive account is the account in which the customer has not performed any transaction for a period of 12 months. Okay. So if I talk about the inactive account is a type of account where there is no transaction are made through for more than 12 months. Okay. So I can write here a savings account or a current account, means CASA, is consider consider inactive if no transaction if no transactions are made through it or more than 12 months. Okay. So if no transactions has been made in a current account and savings account for more than 12 months, now that account will be known as inactive account. Okay. So if the customer has not performed any transaction in the account for more than 12 months, that will be known as your inactive account. Okay. Now, the next one is we have here dormant account. Now, what is dormant account? Dormant account is simply the same thing, but for the duration of 24 months. Okay. So we can say when there is no transaction has been made in the bank account for 24 months. Another bank classified as a dormant account when no transactions have been made for 24 months, then the bank classifies the account as dormant account. Okay, as dormant account. So if bank has seen that there is no transaction has been performed in the account, then bank will be defining that account after 24 months the dormant account. Okay. So if no transactions has been made for 12 months, then it will be known as inactive account. 12 months, then this will be known as inactive account. And if there is no transactions has been performed for 24 months, then it will be known as dormant. So do remember what is inactive account and dormant account. Now, next type of account we are going to discuss is, you can see trading account have a gilt account and the demat account. When we talk about the gilt account is simply account maintained in the books of RBI under the retail direct scheme. Okay. Or we can simply say what is gilt account? Gilt account is the account opened by the bank to maintain the government securities and treasury bills. Okay. So the account in which the government securities has been purchased will be maintained. That account will be known as gilt account. So if we talk about the gilt market, there is a gilt market also. Now, first of all, if we talk about the capital market is a type of market where there is a trading going on for more than 1 year. Whenever we want to raise money for long-term period for more than 1 year, we use a account that is known as, we use a market that is known as capital market. The capital market is a market in which we are trading for more than 1 year to raise the fund. So we have so many methods to raise fund from the capital market. So if I talk about capital market, secondary market. The secondary market is the market where already sold and bought securities will be sold and bought by the people. Okay. Or I can say the secondary market is the market for existing security. What is secondary market? Secondary market is a market for existing security. So you are selling or purchasing those securities which has been already sold and purchased by the people. That is known as secondary market. And this secondary market covers two types of market. First, it covers the gilt market. Second, it covers the security markets. Okay, corporate security market. So that gilt edge market is also a market in which government securities will be traded. And the gilt account is the account in which we are maintaining a government security. Okay. Now we have a demat account. Now what is demat account? Demat account is nothing, just a dematerialized account. Okay, demat account is nothing, just a dematerialized account. What does it mean? Dematerialized account must mean simply what? Dematerialized account means the kind of account which is not in the form of paper and all. Okay, it means it is an account in which you are maintaining the deposit, the securities in electronic form. Okay, so demat account is nothing, just a dematerialized account. It's like a bank account in which securities will be maintained in electronic form. In electronic form. That is known as dematerialized account. So if I talk about I am investing in share market, so I am purchasing 2 shares, 10 shares, 15 shares only. But when we talk about the brokers are purchasing lakhs of shares per day and they are selling lakhs of share per day. So it became very hard to maintain the securities or the shares in the physical form. Okay, and if, for example, if you have lose that piece of paper of share, you are going to lose your money. So there was so many risk in maintaining the securities in electronic form. So we have introduced the demat account. So demat account is a type of account in which we are maintaining the securities in form of electronic, and electronic form. When you are maintaining your securities in electronic form, that will be known as your demat account. Clear? Next. Next account we have a escrow account. Escrow account is also known as your third party account, we can call it. Now what does it means? Escrow account are managed by the escrow agent. Okay, it means it's a third party who is maintaining the account. Okay. So let's say for example, if I talk about the escrow account, this is the account, this is a third party account. This is the third party account, right? Where the account where funds are kept before they are transferred, before they are transferred to ultimate party, to the ultimate party. That is known as escrow account. The escrow account is a third party account where the funds are kept before they transfer to the ultimate party. So it provides a security against the fraud and default, etc. Okay, in case of two parties, let's say for example, if we take an example, there are two people. Okay, there are two people, A and B. Now A is a seller and B is a buyer. Now they don't know each other. But A is saying, I am going to sell you this particular product when you are going to give me the advance payment. And B is saying, I don't trust you, I don't know you, I can't give you the advance payment. Maybe you will do the fraud in the future. So what they have done, they went to the bank, that is a escrow third party. They went to the bank. A will send, B will send money to the bank, and bank will send that money to the A. Okay, and all the transactions between these two parties related to monetary transaction will be performed between A and B. So that will be known as your escrow account. Known as your escrow account. Okay, so it can be used for the sale of house. And let's say for example, you are selling house, है ना? And you are selling to the party who is wanting the advance payment, and you can't trust that party. So what you can do, you will go to the bank, you will have a escrow account with the bank. The money will be given to the banks, paper will be given to the banks, and then bank will perform the transaction between the two parties. Okay, so it reduces the risk of non-payment. Okay, it reduces the risk of the non-payment. So it's simply a temporary account that operates only up to the completion of the transaction. So till when you have sold and purchased the house, till then this account will work. Otherwise, this account will be closed. So all the conditions between the buyer and sellers are settled. Account is terminated. Okay. So escrow usually requires to depositing of document that has monetary value. So the bank becomes the mediator between the two parties and perform the transaction. It reduces the non-payment risk, and also it is terminated when all the terms and conditions between the buyer and seller will be. So that will be known as escrow account. Okay. So these are the types of account which we have discussed today. First, we have discussed there is a inactive account and dormant account. Apart from inactive dormant account, we have discussed trading accounts. In trading account, we have discussed the first gilt account, demat account, and escrow account. Okay. Now this is the information for all of you that right now these two batches are going on, in which I am going to start the PPP and Indian economy, Indian financial system from 13th of January. Okay. From 13th of January, I will be starting this. Clear? So right now 81% off is going on. By using the code Y496, you will get this particular benefit in the target batch. Apart from target batch, the best investment for you will be JIB CIB Mahapack, because it is providing right now the double validity with the 81% off. So after paying 10,500, you will be capable of getting the JIB classes and the CIB classes. And not only the conceptual class, apart from that, all the other benefits will be available. Like you can see, your live classes will be there, your test series will be there, your mock test will be there, your case study batches will be there, the revision batches, the numerical batches, okay, the ebooks, everything will be available. Apart from that, video classes, video course will be available. So all these benefits will be available in the Mahapacks. And because you guys are preparing for the JIB, after that you are going to go for the CIB. The best option for all of you will be JIB and CIB because it covers both the exams. It covers two JIB, CIB. You can see 2 years validity is available. 81 if you use the code Y4. Okay. Now how to enroll? To enroll, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. If you have not downloaded the application, then do download it so that 1% additional discount will be given to you. Now, how to enroll? Do check the JIB, CIB here. If you want to go with the individual target batch, click here. You will find all the target batches here. These are the full batches in which all the four subjects will be covered. Then we have an individual subject batch also. You can see English medium, bilingual, both are available. And in the last, you will find the combination batches also. These are the combination batches also available. So how to enroll? Just click on the one particular batch in which you want to enroll. Do read all the details. Click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, you will find this page and you have to enter a code Y496 and click on the apply. So you can see it is showing the 80% off. 1% off will be available from the 24/7 application. Okay. So 81% and 8 month validity will be available. It will cover all the four subjects of the JIB. Now, the best option apart from that will be your JIB CIB Mahapack that I personally suggest you that if you want to go with, you can go with the JIB CIB Mahapack because you can see that it will be covering all the compulsory paper of the JIB, all the compulsory paper of the CIB as well as elective paper also. All elective paper will be there. Will help you to qualify the JIB as well as CIB. The validity will be 2 years. You can read all the details here and click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, again you have to enter a code Y496 and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find 80% off is going on here also. 1% off you will get from the R24/7 application. So the validity is 2 years. Okay. Only by paying 10,500 you are getting 2 years validity. You are getting JIB and CIB both. So after enrolling in the Mahapack, you don't have to go with the any other thing. You will be able to qualify the JIB, CIB both with the JIB, CIB Mahapack. Now what you have to do, click on the continue and you will find this particular product in 10,500 only. So this is the best way to prepare for your exam because right now double validity is going on, 81% is going on and the code for that will be Y496. Okay. So this is the information for all of you about the types of account we have discussed. And the next thing, which particular product will be good for your preparation. Here. So let's end the session here. If you still have any doubt in this particular topic, or if you are still need something to consult with, you can ask in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering. Okay. So let's end the session. Thank you for joining the session and have a very good day. And last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers at 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be right. Thank you for joining the session and take care.